Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and what if your Snapchat isn't working correctly? Like snaps are not sending, filters not applying, or the app crashing? Try these troubleshooting steps. The first of all, you need to close and reopen the Snapchat. Just do it like this. Go to the Snapchat again and log in, and if it didn't solve your problem, try next option. Check app permissions. Let's go to the settings, apps, look for Snapchat, and go to app permissions. And just allow something like camera, contacts, location, microphone, the permissions you have to allow to use some functions. Okay, go back to Snapchat, and if it didn't solve your problem, you need to go to reinstall the application. Let's go to Play Store, search for Snapchat, let's go for Snapchat, uninstall, and install it again. And open it, log in as usual, and if your Snapchat's still lagging, you can go to check for service issues. How can you do this? You go to Google and type downdetector.com. Let's go and look for Snapchat. Don't worry if you wouldn't have the Snapchat in the line, because you can go look for it. Type Snapchat, and okay, it could verify you. So there is a diagram of last issues with Snapchat of last 24 hours. So as you can see, there is no so much issues, but here are they. And if there's no issues with Snapchat, like there's no down drops, like there is no drop downs, you can go and check on your Wi-Fi settings if the Wi-Fi is working correctly. If it's working correctly, or mobile data working correctly, just go restart your phone, and I hope this will solve your problem. Cut this off, please. And I hope this will solve your problem. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. And this was Hard Reset. See ya in the next video. Goodbye.